doing?
Almost broke the bulb.
Careful!
Stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't.
Hello, people.
Hello, people. So, we decided to do a vlog today
Yep.
because it's been a while. The last time,
About 10 days ago.
yeah, and we were talking about frozen shoulder then.
Yeah, still have frozen shoulder.
But is it as bad?
It's not as painful as before. I got some very good painkillers and massage oil.
And the masseuse.
Yeah, the masseuse. Yeah, he's free, of course.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yes, yeah, it's getting a bit better. Still limited movement, but yeah.
Okay. So that's it for frozen. That's it for frozen shoulder.
Yeah.
Today has been a busy day for us. It's actually 3 o'clock,
Yep.
and we thought, you know what? We haven't vlogged in a minute. We should get some vlogging done because we've got some home admin to do, which we were doing this morning before we ran out. We had to go out because we're having a problem with our bathroom lighting. All this sewing. Not so sure if it's the light bulb or if it's the starter.
It's like the starter for it. Yeah,
so,
it's those tube lightings. What do you call those?
so we went out and bought a starter,
Yeah.
a brand new starter. I bought a double pack before, but they were like budget brand. So I'm not sure if it's the starter is the problem. So
Yeah.
I went also to get a brand new bulb.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's one of those. What do you call those? There's a
Tube
name for
lighting.
that. Tube lighting. Yeah.
Yeah. So we went out to get
One of those.
one of those. So we're gonna try it in a minute to see
Yep.
if it's the bulb or if it's the starter.
We'll show you the problem before. What
Right,
is
right.
causing the problem,
To
and
say.
then we'll show you after if the bulb works or not.
Exactly. Fingers crossed it works, you know, because other if it doesn't work, we seem to can't use the bathroom at night.
Yeah. You can't
And
put the light on.
Can't put the lights on
And we have to
because
be there for like 20 minutes trying to.
you know one of our subscribers, a newfound friend,
Yeah.
Earl.
Earl Vickers.
Yeah, Earl Vickers is an electrical engineer.
Okay.
Yeah, man that deals with over 25,000 watt at a time. You see, when I was a kid, I was dared to put my finger in a light bulb thingy and in the socket, and
I've done that before.
and I did and got shocked.
Yeah.
And that was it. Never again for me. I'm afraid of electric. So the most I'll ever do is change a light bulb.
Yeah, I've done that before. I've electrocuted myself.
I mean,
bad wiring with the curling tongs. So yeah, never again.
I'm sure we all have tasted a little bit of electric shock before.
Yeah.
But nothing detrimental that we're not here to talk about it. Jay is not here. Jay is
He's actually got a little, what they call
What?
here in Switzerland,
Schnupp.
is Schnuppentag, which is
In
a
English.
day. It's like,
in
you know when
English
you go for a job and they give you like a trial day.
but he's got a couple.
Yeah.
So in Jamaica, in America, we call that work experience.
Yes.
Or
Well, not quite work experience because that's longer. It's a
apprenticeship.
trial day.
Yeah, trial days.
Yeah, trial days.
Yeah.
But this trial day is to find out whether he can work in this place
In this
and do
environment
his
or not.
apprenticeship there.
Right. So he's trying out his legs into the food industry,
Yeah.
and so far he's liking it because he gets a chance to take home food.
Yeah, it will come something. What was it?
He brought something yesterday.
Sausage something.
I'm picky when it comes to food that I haven't seen prepared, you know. So if he doesn't say to me, I made this myself, I'm a bit iffy. I'm funny like that when it comes to food. But if he says it's okay, I'll try it and I'll let you guys know what it's like. Anyway, let's move on to the
lighting situation.
situation. Okay, babe, you carried it. I don't want you to.
I'm not gonna break it. She's panicking.
You know, so.
Yeah, so let's see.
Let's see the lighting system.
So,
you may have to
shall I turn
the camera around.
So I'll show you the switch. The switch is there.
Yeah, and we press,
and nothing happens.
but nothing happens. Sometimes it happens if we tamper with it,
Yeah.
but nothing happens. So,
I've got a little knack of how to do it, but
alright, what we're gonna do.
well, it's off now, right? Hold on, yeah.
You wouldn't know if it's off or on. So what we're gonna do, let's change this light bulb out.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, I'm gonna try this light bulb one more time. I'm gonna change the starter and
put the light
put
bulb
the
back
old
in.
bulb back in to see if it's the starter
Alright.
is the problem. It's got a little thing here,
Yeah.
so I have to fit it in there. Okay, that's in there now. Then I'm gonna put back the old bulb to see if that is the problem. Okay,
Let's see.
no, nothing. Alright, let's take the old bulb out. Okay, and let's try the brand new bulb. Almost broke the bulb.
Careful!
Oh, it's too long. I did say to him that the bulb is too long. It looks too long. Yeah, and he says to me that 36 watt
Yeah.
is the 36L is the length.
Hold on. Focus.
Yeah.
Ah, that's 840, not 627.
No, he says this here is the lighting. You understand? He was saying this one had more red and yellow in it, and this one was cool white. But I said to him, it looks long.
Yeah.
And he says to me that no, it's the right size. So we have a problem. The bulb is too long. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back, but we're gonna take the old bulb with the new bulb
Yeah.
and show him the length that we're after. And then, before we do that, we've got other things to do. That's just a bummer. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna stick some clothes in our washing machine. And what else we had to do? Did we have to do anything in the office? Oh yeah, we're supposed to
Oh yeah, look
Yeah.
for some paperwork.
look for some paperwork. So
We'll do
we're,
that first.
yeah, we're gonna quickly do that and then get back to you guys. This is the first time we're filming that.
Yeah.
Okay, it's laundry room is a laundry room. We've got 2 washers, 2 washing machine, and a tumble dryer. And we also have a drying room, you know, which here we call it a
Truck and roll.
truck and ram, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get these clothes into the wash.
Yeah.
Each machine would usually take about an hour, and the dryer should also take about an hour.
I know.
Ooh, change the English, give it a 60 with a pre-wash, and we should be good to go.
Tells you the time it ends.
Yeah.
It's 3 in 1, so don't need conditioner. This is what you call top loader?
Somebody has too much clothes, so when it goes into the wash, they just start wearing other clothes. We're out here, back in our local town, and we have about 2 minutes walk to the actual shop.
It's a lovely day, so don't mind.
No. There you go. It's a good day. Feels a little bit packed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the day seems to be going quick.
You know, and plus we wanted to vlog our special.
Yeah, I'm going to make a special, not hamburger.
A sandwich.
Burger.
A special,
Sandwich.
we call it the Sebas special sandwich.
Yes.
We're avid viewers of the Travel Channel,
Yeah.
and Andrew Zimmern has a program
Yeah.
where he tries all kinds of food in North America.
Yeah.
Not only North America, sometimes he goes to other foreign countries as well, you know. But he's been everywhere in the US. And we've seen some food, creative food, original creative food.
Yeah.
And it was that gave us our idea that we
Make
could,
up our own sandwich.
so we can make up our own sandwich.
So we're going to vlog that for you today.
Yes. So. Good news is they have the bulb. Bad news is it's a cash only store. So the bulb is 20 francs, but we already had paid
8
8,
plus 2 francs tax. Something like that.
something like that. Anyway, we have to pay 10 more. Yeah, and we only had 9 francs in cash, so we have to go to the bank to get cash and see how that works. So according to him, it's a special bulb, so it's a specially ordered bulb.
So special price.
Special bulb, special price. All right, let's hurry up and do this so we can get back to our special sandwich.
See what we did there?
Yes, you know, wordplay is what we do. So we've got our bulb, but we diverted to the bus station because someone that we know
It's waiting there.
was at the bus stop. So we decided, let's swing by and incorporate him in the vlog.
What's up, bruh?
There he is. So we were out here because we came to get the light bulb. So let's hope this changes everything. If not,
And
we have to get an electrician to come and see what's up. Yeah.
bring that up, man.
He had like a, we called him one strand. Because he had like one little strand of beard,
Hey, no, it's gross.
you know. But he's got a whole long way to get to
Yes.
multiple strands. Since he's here, we'll just do our magic, our Sebas magic,
Yeah.
and just disappear from here and appear home. So which way you want to do? You can do it by a clap, you can do it by a dab, or you can do it by...
I'll do it old fashioned. Ready? Clap. 3. Clap, man. Okay. Snazzy. 3. Here we are.
We're here, and we're going to try this
And we hope it works.
for the second time. All right.
But as we said, if it's not the light and it's not the starter,
Then we get an electrician to come in
so
and deal with
do,
it.
do, do.
Moment of truth. Not the new starter in it.
It's the original.
The new one.
Oh.
So, yep. No.
It is
Something is electrically.
problem
Yeah.
with
The electric.
this switch, I think. It's not
Oh.
connecting.
Try it again. Alright.
It's not the starter and it's not the bulb. So I think it's something in the switch.
Alright, what we'll do, we'll send an email out, get
Yeah.
an electrician to come in and deal with it from that. One other set of laundry to do, and we
Yeah.
gotta get this Sebas special sandwich on the go. So while you're doing the special sandwich, I'm gonna send off the email. Sooner
Okay.
better, and then that's it. Okay. Last load of washing is in. First 2 loads in the dryer.
Yep.
And now we can get our Sebas special sandwich on the go. Sebas special sandwich that we've created is made up of
Chicken breast.
Yeah.
That's the main ingredient of the sandwich.
Yeah.
We're gonna use ham.
Cold
That's gonna
cuts.
be like maybe 4 layer of ham.
Yeah. Cold
maybe.
cuts. Yeah.
And some prawns, some fried prawns.
Wow.
Yeah, we're gonna fry them in butter, aren't we?
No.
How are we gonna fry them?
According to our Sebas special sandwich, my Sebas special sandwich, I have grilled.
Okay.
Yeah.
Grilled.
So we're gonna grill them.
We're gonna have fried eggs
Yeah.
on the sandwich too.
Yeah.
Some onion rings, which I will make myself.
Right.
And to go with it, we're gonna have French fries.
Not to go with it.
That's gonna go in it.
Yeah. So let's start over again.
So for our Sebas special sandwich, in the sandwich we're going to have chicken breast.
Before we discuss what's in the sandwich,
Well,
let's
yeah.
discuss. Let's discuss the actual bread of the
Okay.
sandwich.
So for this special sandwich, I'm going to make our own bread
Right.
from scratch, from hand, by
Right.
hand.
Right.
So that's going to be like a normal bread recipe, but the shape of it is going to be a square bread, so everything can fit in.
Mm-hmm.
I think. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, we're going to do that. So in that bread
Right.
is going to be chicken breast,
Yeah.
and that's going to be fried with a little seasoning.
Yeah.
And then we're going to have ham, cold cuts in
Cold
America,
cuts,
ham
yeah.
in England,
Yeah.
and that's going to be slices of ham, maybe in 4 layers or so.
Okay.
And grilled prawns,
Right.
and we're going to have fried eggs,
Yeah.
onion rings,
Yeah.
which I will also make by scratch, from hand. But well,
They got it. You're
Yeah.
gonna make it from scratch by hand. Yeah.
French fries are going to also go into the sandwich.
So all that's gonna be in the sandwich.
Yeah.
Chicken breast, ham, prawn, eggs, onion rings, and fries.
Yeah.
And
Philadelphia cream cheese
yeah.
and ketchup, of course.
Right.
I'm
Yeah.
not a ketchup fan, but maybe I will do
Yeah.
it for that. I have this special sauce that I really love, sweet and sour.
Sweet. Is it sweet and sour?
Yeah.
Is it sweet and sour? It's sweet chili.
It's like sweet chili.
Yeah, this is
I
our
love
sauce.
this sauce.
It's in a separate cupboard.
That's my tomato. Yes. That's my tomato sauce.
Yeah.
So.
So, alright, let's get it then.
Yeah. First of all, I'm going to make the bread. The chicken that we bought is chicken breasts, and they came frozen, so they're defrosted already, and they're in the fridge waiting for me to slice them up and
Okay.
do my thing.
Well, today's vlog is gonna be about the Sebastian special sandwich, so let's get it.
So, bread time. So,
As you can see,
Sebas surprise. No, I forgot what was it.
hey, this is the premiere, you know.
Sebas special sandwich is finished.
Yes, it was our first attempt, and it looks good. So
Guess whose that is?
that is for the inventor.
It's mine.
You know, the inventor is in the middle.
I did all the cooking.
Well, yes, she surely did. You know,
I should get half.
it looks good, very good, and I'm sure we are about to. So as you can see, we've got 2 singles
And 1 double.
and 1 double from the inventor. I'm sure I can't eat all of that at once, but it looks good on a plate.
Yeah.
You know? So
we're about to devour that.
yes, definitely, and we'll tell you about it in our next vlog.
We will.
We should take a picture of it because on here, if you guys can see, these are, we brought this from England, but actually these are pictures of food that we've done. That is the Sebas sweet and sour chicken with egg fried rice, and that is the SFC Sebas fried chicken. And what's this, babe? This is,
That is like,
no, this was done with Jack Daniel's sauce.
Yes, I made
Yeah.
my own Jack Daniel's sauce.
Yes, that was food we used to cook in England,
Yes.
so that was a special Jack Daniel's sauce. Hopefully one day we'll do it here again, but we'll definitely do the sweet and sour
Sweet
chicken.
and sour chicken we'll probably do in the next few days.
Right, so let me take a picture first before I take it up. Looks too good. Those pictures were taken for myself. Oh, it's got some weight to it too. Grab a sandwich. This is for me. Where's yours?
Mine has got my sweet chili sauce on it.
Okay. So this is the Sebas special sandwich.
Yay!
And we're gonna eat it, vow it down, and tell you guys how it tastes in our next vlog. So let's put these heavyweight champions down. And like we always say, ciao for now.
Ciao for now.